if you have this fridge and it sounds like this, don't worry. All you have to do is do this. Or just fix the legs. That's all we have to do is fix the legs. We've had this for what, 6 years? First time we had a problem with it. Compressor went out. And all it needed to be done was just to get like we didn't have a brand new compressor. We just had to get it like a oh my god, I'm blanking. Fuck. Had to get it refrigerated, refilled with refrigerant. There we go. And then yeah, we also vacuumed it because it was disgusting. And then our ice tray, our ice maker thing, the little water valve thing, I guess clogged or whatever in the back. So now it doesn't make ice anymore. We tried to get the other part, the same part, but its tube is like this, and the one is like this. So, I mean, it's not the right size. Fuck. So, we still have to figure that out. But other than that, it's better than our fridge that we had, which is in the basement. Every appliance is LG in our house. Fridge, dishwasher, stove, washer, dryer. TVs? No. TVs are Samsung. But my TV in my room is LG. It's an LG 4K TV, 43 inch. I love it. But yeah, just sitting here drinking my coffee. My Boss 302 cup, and it says "Get it in gear." Cheers. Peace.